Hello mga mamshis and mga junaki. Today we're going to bake walnut and raisin cake. So here are the ingredients. 180 grams butter, 100 grams sugar, 180 grams egg, 100 grams bread flour, 100 grams cake flour, 4 grams baking powder, 8 grams of milk, 90 grams walnut, and 140 grams raisins, and 33 grams of grape seed oil. Yung vegetable oil. Yan. So, una natin gagawin is mix butter and sugar. Sift natin ang flour and cake flour and bread flour. Habang minimix natin ang butter and sugar, isisip muna natin ito. Ito yung cake flour and ito naman ang bread flour. Egg need natin i-beat bago ayan. So, ito na siya after. Ayan. Ayan. So, dahan-dahan na natin ilalagay ang egg. Lalagyan na natin ang raisins and walnuts. Ayan. And the baking powder. Then turn it on again. Ayan, nilagyan na natin ang flour at saka ang milk. And the last part is lagyan na natin ang oil. Lagyan na natin siya sa baking pan. So, ready na siya. Ilagay sa oven. So, 40 minutes natin siyang i-bake. Una is 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So, after 10 minutes, i-adjust natin siya sa 320 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes naman. So, ito is 10 minutes muna. 350 Fahrenheit. So, done na siya sa 350. Adjust na natin siya sa 325 for 30 minutes. Babaan natin ang temperature. Then, start. Yan. So, ayun na siya. Lay na lang natin siya. It's done. Let's check. Oh. Wow. It's cook.
I think it's cooked. Yeah.
You try.
Yeah. You try some too. We'll try it together. Here. Eat this one.
You try. Is it good? It's good. I'm a bakerist now.
You are.
So that's it mga momshies. Until our next vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!